What's up, guys? Yeah, I didn't show you much of that job. Very easy. Carpets came out looking brand new. So the point of this video is something that every business owner, well, 99% of these business owners just starting out mess up. And it really can make it to where you are actually shooting yourself in the foot right from the get-go as a business owner. Okay? And probably doomed to fail. Okay? Because you are setting yourself up for a career to where you're barely getting by still. And you're working for yourself. That shouldn't be, guys. If you're still in the same situation, you're working the same hours, making the same type of money that you were before you started going in business for yourself and carpet cleaning, then you should probably just go back to work. Okay, that's not the whole point of, becoming an entrepreneur and building your own business. You need to be making twice, 3 times, or more of what you did at the other job, and you should be working half the time. All right, so if you're not doing that, you're doing something wrong. And I can tell you what most of you're doing wrong is you're pricing wrong. Okay, you're starting out from the get-go, and you're going with low prices, thinking the phone's going to be ringing off the hook, and you're going to be so busy. Your phone isn't going to be ringing off the hook unless you're actually out there getting that phone to ring, for one thing. Marketing. If you're pricing very low and you're getting a lot of work, it just means you're going to be getting probably the worst carpets possibly you can clean. You're going to be doing a lot of apartment work, really nasty work that's going to take you a long time to do, because people who really don't take care of their carpets, hey man, I'm not judging. I do have people that have pretty nasty carpets and they still pay what I ask, but in general, they're not gonna want to pay those prices, right? They're moving out. It's just a move out. They're looking for the cheapest carpet cleaner, and that's going to be you. You're going to go in there, and that carpet's not going to come out looking so great. They're going to expect miracles. All right, and you're just not going to be making that type of money you should be as a business owner. So, really, if you guys are really already, you're really recognizing that this is the issue. You're working lots of hours, and all you're getting is really nasty carpet, and I gotta figure out how to park in here. Block me out. And your money isn't, so great. You should probably raise your prices. Now, do some research. Call around reputable businesses, in your area. See what they're charging. If they're a multi-truck organization or if they've been around for a while, they know what to charge. Okay. So they can stay in business, because they wouldn't be around a while if they were pricing wrong. Okay. So really think about that, guys. If you're my competition around here, if you're actually somebody's in my area here and my competition, forget I even said that. Okay, go ahead. Honestly, I don't think anybody watches my YouTube videos around here. Actually, about an hour away. I've had people, some people about 45 minutes away watch my channel, but I don't even service that far out anyway. But anyway, that's some valuable stuff there, guys. And everybody, including me, made that mistake at the get-go, unless you got mentored by somebody like myself and got you on the right track from the get-go. So you didn't waste money on product. You didn't waste time on pricing. You didn't set your business up the proper way. you know, and a lot of people do trial and error and then they figure it out, you know, so much farther down the line. This is where I talk about my course or my training, my school, Green Rhino Academy. You know, I didn't start off this video going to talk about my Green Rhino Academy, but I'm not going to ignore it either because if it ties right into this, I teach you all that stuff, guys. You're not going to make these mistakes, all right, that just rookies make or people just starting out. You're not going to do it. Because if you listen to me. So check that out, guys. For the people that are already in the business and they got that van running, but they're missing calls and having trouble. Yeah, when you're missing calls, you're losing money. I don't miss calls. Okay. I got my, AI, digital service, Green Rhino digital services, and it's going to customize to your business. That way you can answer the questions that need to be answered, you know, and I got tools that help you even save money on those calls from ads, believe it or not, guys. So yeah, that's it for this one. Like, subscribe, comment. See you in the next one.